How do you envision the capital? Perhaps you imagine its marble steps, laden with historical traces, or columns rising like guardians of time. But what if, in this majestic amphitheater of power, among the halls of political decisions, there hide unusual witnesses? In the shadow of columns and behind the scenes of power, a mysterious corner unfolds, a garden where statues of beautiful girls stand, as immutable keepers of secrets. These perfect embodiments of femininity gaze into the distance, their looks piercing not only the marble facades but also the intricate intrigues of the political world. It all began in the sculptor's studio, driven to unusual heights by inspiration, motivated by the idea of combining beauty and power. He crafted each statue with love for details, as if hewn from the most exquisite marble. But why here, in the amphitheater of politics? Perhaps these beauties in marble are not just decorations, but rather peculiar oracles ready to reveal the secrets hidden from the eyes of the mundane public. They witnessed complex political decisions, but their silence is not just the absence of words. It's a mysterious challenge to decipher. A virtual journey around the Capitol carries musical whispers, inviting immersion into history. Marble forms don't just adorn the garden, they serve as a key to understanding the harmony of beauty and power. But why? And why here? Think about it, dear listeners. Perhaps these beautiful marble statues are meant not only for decoration but also to provoke us to ponder how beauty can influence the political stage and leave its mark on history.